FLuX Kontext is now available inside LTX Studio, introducing a new paradigm in AI image generation, built for creative control at every step. Kontext is a multimodal model, which means it understands both images and text. This allows you to generate, edit, and transform visuals using natural language, with context-aware precision. To get started, head to the image workspace from the LTX Studio home screen. This is where you'll access all the new capabilities inside FLuX Kontext. Kontext has exceptional prompt adherence, and it excels when you start with short, clear instructions, then layer them together to form a detailed prompt. You don't need complex formatting, just purposeful, descriptive language. For example, a woman in a bedroom with pink hues, heavy film grain. This single prompt captures subject, setting, mood, and visual texture, all with one line. But where Kontext truly shines is in its image editing capabilities. If you've been online recently, you've probably seen the style transfer feature, even if you didn't know the name. This is where you use a reference image or detailed description to mimic a specific visual style or genre. In FLuX Kontext, it's easier and more consistent than ever. You can start with something as simple as a crayon-style kids drawing, then apply that look to a completely different subject. Kontext carries over the visual tone of the reference and applies it seamlessly to your new image. You can also use image reference for in-painting, one of Kontext's most powerful features. Upload a product, prop, or person, and seamlessly place it into a new scene. You're not just editing, you're directing how that subject appears, with full control over your composition. Want to adjust lighting or change the environment? Just guide it with a prompt. Change the jacket to yellow. Change the background to a jungle environment. Change the lighting to sunset. This kind of control is possible because of how the model understands images. Kontext doesn't see the image like a human, but thanks to its multimodal training, it understands what's in the image well enough to make smart, targeted edits. It can recognize elements like a person, a sign, or a jacket, and modify them without disrupting the overall composition or feel of the scene. One advantage this brings is consistency. One of the biggest challenges in AI is keeping characters, details, and overall tone aligned across scenes. Kontext is built for consistency, so your characters and objects remain stable across edits, making it easier to build cohesive visuals, maintain identity over time, and revisit scenes without starting from scratch. That consistency also allows you to quickly explore new angles and perspectives to better tell your story. Want to switch the lens, change the camera angle, or reframe the shot entirely? Just upload your image as a reference and describe the changes you want to see. Once your stills are ready, you can bring them to life using our video models. LTX V13B, LTX V Turbo, or Google's VO2, transforming static shots into fully animated sequences. FLuX Kontext in LTX Studio isn't just an image tool, it's a creative engine designed to help you build, direct, and evolve your story, one prompt at a time.